Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Twilio voice call notification. To disable Twilio voice call notifications in your sales system, begin by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. In the dashboard, locate and click on the phone numbers tab. Select the phone number associated with your sales system. Scroll down to the voice and fax section. Here, you will find the settings for incoming voice calls. Look for the A Call Comes In option. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option. You will see several choices, including webhook configurations. To disable voice call notifications, select Do Nothing from the list. After making your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. Your Twilio voice call notifications are now disabled. It's advisable to test the configuration to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you receive calls, you should no longer get any notifications. That's it. You successfully disabled Twilio voice call notifications in your sales system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.